So dear students, so in this video we'll discuss about conditional clauses. Okay. So in this video we'll discuss about only zero condition. So here my student Siddharth Pradhan. So as he has got complete idea about the clauses, so now he will explain. Okay, us briefly. So let's start.
Hello everyone, I am Siddhartha Pradhan and I would like to thank you all for giving your time to me. So today, what we are going to discuss? We are going to discuss about one of the most important grammatical thing, and that is conditionals. So let's learn about the basic. What is conditional? A conditional statement is a statement used to show hypothetical situations. It means the situations which can be true or can't be depending upon the situation. For example, if I were a bird, I would fly in the sky. This is a hypothetical situation as it can't be true, but we are thinking of to be. So what is a conditional and how it starts? A conditional statement usually starts with a if clause, unless, provided, auxiliary verb, was or were, should, etc. तो चलतु आम कंडीशनल्स विषय पढ़ा. So let's start about zero conditional. As you can see here, zero conditionals is about the facts. यह वैज्ञानिक सत्य, मौलिक सत्य एवं दैनंदिन कार्य को देखा व्यवहृत होता है. And its rule is if clause, if plus present simple, and the main clause is also present simple. It means the if clause is in present simple and also the main clause is in present simple. Example, if you heat ice, it melts. It talks about heating the ice and it melts. It is a universal truth. It means it will happen everywhere in the universe and every time you do the same. Another example, if it rains, the grass gets wet. यदि वर्षा होता है तेबे घास ओदा होता है. एटा सबु जगार हम सबु क्षण हम तेणु एटा जीरो कंडीशनल एवं यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ. One more important statement in zero conditional to how to identify is that zero conditional is that the result is always guaranteed. Result सबुबले guaranteed हेइथिबो. यह सबुबले सबु क्षण रे गोटा ही बाहरिबो. Let's see some more examples. If you touch fire, you get burned. Here, if clause is if you touch fire. If you touch a fire. It is the sentence in present simple as touch is used here. And the main clause, as you can see, you get burned. Here, the main verb is get and it is also in present indefinite or present simple. So, this is the general truth and is always used in zero conditional. Another example, if babies are hungry, they cry. Here, the if clause is if babies are hungry and the main clause is they cry. Here, in the if clause, the verb is are and it is in present indefinite tense. And in the main clause, cry is the main verb and it is also in present indefinite form. Another examples, if you mix red and blue, you get purple. If the sun goes down, it gets dark. If I eat peanuts, I get an allergic reaction. If the waste is disposed in open, nature gets polluted. These are some examples you can relate of. आपण देखि पारथिबा सब सेंटेंस रे एठी प्रेजेंट सिंपल यूज हेछि मेन क्लॉज रे भी एवं इफ क्लॉज रे भी. Let's see some more. These are some more examples of zero conditional. Let's see them in description. Scientific facts. These facts are governed by the laws of the nature. They are 100% predictable because science says so. यह वैज्ञानिक सत्य एवं विज्ञान जहाँ कही थाए ताहा सत्य होता है. Let's see some more examples. If you cool water to 0 degrees Celsius, it turns into ice. Here, the if clause, if you cool water, is in present indefinite form. And the main clause, it turns into ice, is also in present indefinite form. If you have ever tried cooling water in your home, you will see that when 0 degrees Celsius is the freezer's temperature, it will always turn into ice. If you drop an object, gravity pulls it towards the earth. Gravity is a part of the science and it always uh, it is available in all universal objects. If you have tried, for example, I will throw a pen and it will be pulled back by the gravity towards the earth. This is the universal truth or the scientific truth which is same everywhere. Therefore, it is zero conditional. Then let's discuss about general truths. These are logical certainties or social rules that are true for everywhere. For example, if you don't pay your taxes, you will get into trouble. For example, if you are a businessman and you earn a lot of money, but you don't give it as the tax to the government, then you will surely be fined by the police or the government. If you if the power goes out, the lights don't work. If you have electricity in your home and the power suddenly goes out while you are studying, then the lights will not work. Whatever you do, you can't. Because it is a general truth, as the bulbs need electricity to work. One more example, if people don't eat, they will get hungry. We all are humans and we do have hunger. So if we will not eat for a long time, we will surely feel hungry. This is a general truth. It is regardless of science, but it is a universal truth. Let's discuss about habitual actions or personal truths. If I drink coffee after 7 p.m., I don't get good sleep. Here, simple present tense or present indefinite tense is used in both clauses, that is if clause and main clause. If I drink coffee, that's drink, the verb, is used in present indefinite form. I don't get good sleep. Don't, that's a present indefinite form verb. And it is my truth or personal truth, therefore it is always used in zero conditional. Another example, if my sister watches a sad movie, she always cries. It is her action that if she watches a sad movie, she gets influenced by it and she always cries. Here, if my sister watches a sad movie is indefinite is if clause and the main clause is she always cries. Both the sentences are in present indefinite form. One more example that everyone does of, if my phone beeps, I check it immediately. If someone's phone beeps, he checks it immediately. Is his personal action, his or her personal action, and that is always in zero conditional. So today we have discussed about zero conditional imperfection. Hope you liked the video. And to discuss about first conditional, second conditional, and third conditional, do share this video and pin in the comments that you want second, third, and fourth part. Thank you.